Hi guys, how are you? Tomorrow it's going to be Monday, and this time we're gonna have a sketch session about product design. We're gonna do very simple stuff just to show you how you can take a cube or any other basic shape and make it become a product. We're going to see together, of course, the rules of perspective and the composition on page to make sure that you can give value to your designs, to your ideas, okay? We will use a few markers just to show dark and light areas of those sketches, and of course we're gonna have fun together. Most important thing before ending this video is that I will have a very nice announcement to make, so there is some surprises and I will tell you about it, okay? So have a good end of Sunday for those that are in India, have a good Sunday for those that are in Europe or in America, and see you tomorrow same time, this channel, for few product design basic shapes sketching live. Okay, thank you, bye.